Golf tips and tricks that the pros normally use. So, you want to play golf like you have some knowledge and respect for the sport. First, you need to know the basics associated with the playing dynamics to showcase what type of knowledge you actually have about the sport. If that is not enough, try reviewing the video listed below to assist you. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to be sure that you bring enough balls with you if you are not a great golfer. It can be very easy to lose balls in the woods or water. Having a good stock of golf balls will ensure that you can keep moving and not hold up the players behind you. A useful tip for every golfer is to derive swing power from the body, not the arms. By emphasizing this method, you will soon find it easier to get the ball airborne. You will also likely improve your ability to turn completely through the ball as you bring your arms downward. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to make sure you are aware of not only all of the rules, regulations, and jargon, but also golf course etiquette in general. There are many things that you do or do not do on a golf course that could put you in an uncomfortable situation quickly if not done correctly. As you drive, shoulder position and arm motion will prove critical to increasing distance and straightening out your drive. It is advisable to keep your shoulders square. In addition, as you swing, pull with both arms in order to flatten your club's downward arc. These motions allow you to bring the most momentum on the ball. This video should have provided you with a proper foundation of what it takes to become a better golfer and what areas of the sport you can improve upon. Should any inquiries still remain, review the video again. This one secret, dead simple move, is so powerful and easy to learn, you'll start hitting powerful, accurate, flush golf shots in minutes. Visit secretgolfhack.com to learn all of this and more. Ben Hogan's real golf swing secret, that he took to his grave, is finally discovered. And it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. Visit secretgolfhack.com to discover the secret and more. Link in the description.